Mahasoni Gifts for Dad presents a thoughtful and practical solution for expressing love and appreciation with their BPA-Free 40-ounce Dad Tumbler. The addition of a sturdy handle enhances the overall functionality, making it easy for dads on the go to carry their favorite beverages with ease. This tumbler serves as an ideal birthday gift, encapsulating both style and utility. The generous 40-ounce capacity is perfect for keeping dads hydrated throughout the day, whether at work, during travel, or simply relaxing at home. The design specifically caters to fathers, featuring a sleek and masculine aesthetic that adds a touch of personalization to the drinking experience. Constructed as a travel mug, it comes equipped with features that make it spill resistant and travel friendly, making it an excellent companion for dads with an active lifestyle. Get yours now.